turn it out. Turn this thing out. Remember? Now get on there. Up down hard.
Just wanting to oblige you.
Hard, faster.
Alright, can I try to get in?
This right here's your brake. Use that to stop, okay? Put it in gear.
Colin, stop.
Oh, wait. Colin, slow down.
Yeah, so we're gonna do this